Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Arnab Kumar Manna, an art teacher and professional artist. Today I am going to paint a farmhouse using watercolor. Now I am going to demonstrate step by step. After making the sky wet using water, I am using the cobalt blue color now. Now on the farmhouse I am using little yellow ochre and somewhere little chrome yellow. Now I am making the foreground wet and using gamboge yellow. After that using gamboge yellow mixed with little vermilion red. And after that little mixed with yellow ochre and vermilion red. And at the darker area gradually I am using mixed with crimson red and brown color mixed with little vermilion red. If you are new in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, because I always bring such kind of watercolor tutorial and different color tutorial, different painting tutorial in our channel. At the darkest area I am using the brown color mixed with little crimson red and cobalt blue. Now little details I am going to do on the farmhouse. I am using the second tone. On the shade of the farmhouse I have used yellow ochre mixed with little red and cobalt blue. I have already decided that from which direction I will show the light. As the light is coming from the right direction, so that's why the opposite direction of the farmhouse is looking darker. I'm going to show the mountains which are far away. On the mountains I'm using the cobalt blue color. Now few trees are far away near the farmhouse. I'm not going to show them in much details, just a little wash. Now little details on the door of the farmhouse I'm going to make. If you want to learn more watercolor technique, you may visit our channel, YouTube channel Arnab Kumar Manna, and please visit the playlist of watercolor tutorial. Now I'm going to show the fence which is surrounding the farmhouse. In order to show the darkness, I'm using the cobalt blue mixed with little crimson red and little brown color. The more away the fence is, the more lighter it will look like. Viewers, I will recommend everyone not to use the black color, as I am not also using black color here. I am just using the mixture of cobalt blue color, little crimson red, vermilion red, brown color and little sap green. If you have not watched our previous video, you may watch. The link is available in the description box, or you can click on the I button. I'm just trying to increase the contrast on the mountains. Now the bushes far away I'm going to show. At first I have used yellow color. After a little wash, I'm going to apply the dark tone on the bushes. How do you like our painting? Please let us know through the comment. A tree of just little wash. Mountain I'm going to show just at the behind of the farmhouse, which is far away. That's why it looks very light. Another farmhouse. How many of you would like to really visit such beautiful place? Please let me know through the comment. As the fence is far away, so that's why I'm showing lightly. Now after a little wash, I'm trying to raise the contrast. If you like the video, please press the like button and share the video with everyone so that everyone can learn. Now I'm trying to show the shadows of the poles of the fence. Now the finishing part I am just doing, because my painting is almost finished according to me. Little contrast I am just raising on the shade of the farmhouse. So this is my signature. Few birds are flying on the sky I'm showing. So this is the painting. I'm going to show you in closer view. How do you like the painting and the tutorial? Please let me know through the comment, and also please let me know how many of you would like to visit such beautiful place. Don't forget to press the like button and press the share button. And if you are new in our channel, subscribe the channel now. Thank you very much. Goodbye.